Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you guys are fine. I'm fine too. Sorry, I'd been a bit tied up, तो मैं I recommend videos नहीं कर पाई, but here I am. So today we are going to talk about lip scrubs and lip balms. तो lip scrubs एक्चुअली ज़्यादातर लोग लिप स्क्रब्स के बारे में जानते नहीं हैं और जानते भी हैं तो दे आर लाइक व्हाट्स द पॉइंट. सो इवन आई वाज in the same category until 2-3 years ago, but now ever since I've been very regularly using lip scrubs, so I've really understood the importance, how important it is. And it's not just good, but I think it's important because girls, especially all of us who wear makeup, who use lipstick, need the scrub to just clearing up of all the dirt and the impurities, the gunk, and just make it very soft and pink and supple. So the first product that I'm going to talk about today is N Closet. This is the lip scrub. So can you see it? So what I love about this product is it has got the scrub on one side and the balm on the other side. So what I do is that I combine both of them at night, and I just scrub it around and leave it, and it just takes care of everything. And it has got a lot of things. It has got shea butter, brown sugar, kokum butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, coconut oil. Oh my god, so many butters, cinnamon powder. So just once you scrub it at night and you leave it for the entire night, and it takes care of just everything. So it's N Closet, N Sinner is the name, lip scrub and lip balm. So the another product that I'm going to talk, which I really love, is Juicy Chemistry. This is a lip scrub. This is Tuscany lemon and green tea. So once you apply it at night and you just scrub your lips, it gives a little plumpish effect also. So no, I haven't applied it right now, and it's really great. It takes care of everything. It just removes all the impurities. It exfoliates the lips and it gives a very pinkish look after that. And lips में lip scrub use करना, I think once or twice a week should be good. In fact, it should be very good twice a week using a lip scrub. And so Juicy Chemistry, yeah, is a brand which I really love. Both are homegrown Indian brands. So N Closet and Juicy Chemistry. In N Closet is a lip balm and a lip scrub. This is a lip scrub, Juicy Chemistry. And another lip balm that I really like, and which is on the go, I keep it in my bag. This is from Nykaa. This is the Serial Kisser, which is this Nykaa Serial Kisser. This has got some honey, and it's very enriching for the lips. So it's like I'm using it from a very long time, and it really makes the lips very soft. And even if you have not applied anything above that on the lip, just have the balm on it, and you don't need, because it has got a light pinkish tint on it. So for the natural neutral makeup, it is very good. And for the lip scrubs that I was talking about, I was just forgetting that once the scrub is done at night, and the next day, even if you don't apply anything on the lips, like there is no balm, nothing on the lips, and it just feels great. It really takes care of everything. So yeah, please check this out, Juicy Chemistry, N Closet, this Nykaa lip balm. And there's another lip balm which is very reasonable, very economical, and it is also on the go, and it doesn't have any artificial colors or fragrances, or like it is totally paraben free, totally sulfate free. It is totally like is not cruelty to animals has not been done with it, and homegrown brand. So this is from Wadi Herbals. This is the strawberry lip balm. So this is also very good. This is a very, very natural, and the fragrance is so beautiful, so amazing. So you can try this out also. So I'll be putting the handles of all of them. So have a great lip scrub and lip balm day and week ahead, and just stay happy, be positive. I know this whole corona thing which has done something to all of us, but wake up, it's okay. We've gone through the worst. This too will be we'll overcome this too. And just spread love, just spread happiness as much as you can. Just stay happy. Take care. Bye bye. See you again soon with my next recommendation. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.